King here from Hot Car Performance, and we're getting ready to replace the mirrors, Dodge Ram 2500. Stay tuned. All right, so as you see, you got the door off, and now getting ready to put this in after you unbolt here, okay, and then you'll be able to pop this off and follow this wire down. You have the black and white, okay? Stay tuned. All right, so as you can see, we have it out. That was the old mirror there, compared to the new one. Stay tuned for me to put it in.